Welcome in 2023, it's time to start the action. So we are going to start this one which was sitting here for 10 years. This car, it's the E32 7 Series. It is what it is.
Let's start working, David. Holy shit, it's cold. Oh!
Do you have gloves?
No.
Of course not.
Fuck's sakes. What the f? Hey David, don't jump it from there.
I'm not jumping from there.
From the engine bay. What the f you doing? He's a professional, not knowing what he's doing.
Too late. Give me key.
It's now gonna explode.
I hope so.
Right. It's f***ing cold in here. It's not even opening.
Okay, figure out.
After 10 years. Now we just have to get it inside.
It's not doing the job. You do nothing here.
Alright, just to try to explain what's gonna happen today. Last summer we fixed the issue with the... What was the sensor?
Sensor of the impulses.
So, last summer we changed the sensor of impulses because this car had rough time starting up. Guess, did we fix this?
That's the wrong one.
Of course not. So, the next diagnosis was we probably have leaky fuel injectors.
Because it's smelling fuel as hell.
Yes, and there's coming flames from the exhaust. New diagnosis is that we have leaky fuel injectors, and we're gonna test them today to see are they leaking or not. So welcome to this new episode!
I don't see f***ing shit. There is some CEO sitting inside. Frozen.
The car is in the way.
Witu, kurwa Madzia pierdolę. Can you help me?
Always so.
So we will take the injectors out. We will not show it on the video because it's boring and it's waste of time. So let's skip just to the action and let's see what we have there on the table.
So, David got the injectors out of the car, and here is the overview of the parts that we need in order to test the injectors to see if they are leaking or not. We have some wires, random hoses, injectors and clamps, carb cleaner, and then this thermal shrinking heat stuff, whatever. And of course we have the battery to get some power for the testing. So, idea is to make some kind of a tool out of this, and we shall see if we are successful. So let's get it going.
So what do we expect from here? This is our carb cleaner. The pressure is building here in the pipe, and next we are applying the voltage of 12 volts to open the valve. Let's see first if it's leaking. So first we build the pressure.
It's leaking a bit. It's not the best tool,
But it's working.
but it's leaking a bit.
Okay, it's not leaking.
It's leaking a bit.
It's not leaking. So now we can see what we should have. It's the kind of spray with V angle, not straight. Remember V angle of the spray, so then we know that the spray of the fuel will be correct. So let's see what kind of spray we have from this injector. As you can see, it's straight.
That's getting better.
It's getting better.
Maybe it was
Okay.
just clogged up.
It's good. From this perspective, it's looking good.
It's working.
Okay, it's time to change injector.
Oh, it's leaking bad.
No, this is leaking from here.
Or maybe from the place where we don't have the clamp now.
See, we're spraying.
Holy shit, it needs the f***ing clamp. I told you it needs the clamp. Okay, redo this.
No leaks.
That's good.
And let's see. Spraying actually good. It's V-shape, so it's okay. Ah, this is working nicely.
That's brilliant.
Let's see how it's spraying.
Not bad. This one is also not leaking. What's the conclusion? Maybe our test bench is not the perfect one?
It's good, but it was better when it was leak from here somewhere.
Why?
Because it was taking air out. Now it's a lot of air inside.
Mm-hmm. Well, that's true.
I'm thirsty. For Happy New Year. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so cheers. It was good. Right?
Give me a second. All right, you want to say something?
I want to say something, and that's gonna be that we are starting the car for the first time in 2 hours. We have cleaned the injectors, and let's see what's the result. Maybe it's better, maybe it's not. Who knows? Oh. It's better. Bang! So, problem not solved. Ultimate restoration experience.
That was not the way it was supposed to go.
Yeah, it just means that we will have more episodes about that crap. Stay tuned for more. We are coming back with this one. Definitely. Is okay?
Always some troubles.
Always some struggles.